In today's video, we are going to be taking a deep dive into NEAR protocol. In this video, we are going to talk about NEAR protocol and its native token, and as a bonus tip, we are going to be showing you how to create a NEAR wallet with ease. So if this is your first time on our channel, I want to warmly welcome you to Crypto Sage. Here we provide useful updates, trading tutorials, how-to videos, and other useful materials and informations concentrating on cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and leveraging technology to invest in other assets. Please hit the like button below this video if you are finding value in this video. So without wasting much time, let's go deep dive into NEAR protocol. NEAR protocol is a decentralized application platform that focuses on usability among developers and users. And as a competitor of Ethereum, NEAR protocol is also smart contract capable and a proof-of-stake blockchain. NEAR was built by the NEAR Collective, and it's conceptualized as a community-run cloud computing platform designed to host decentralized applications. It was also built to be both developer and user-friendly, hence it has features such as an account name that are human-readable instead of a cryptographic wallet address like we see in other blockchains. Now, come to think of it, why is the NEAR protocol useful? So first of all, let's talk about the problem that most decentralized applications face. Decentralized applications have boomed in the crypto community with dApps that run the gamut from games to financial services. However, it has also become apparent that scalability remains a problem in most blockchains, especially among other ones such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. The challenges are mainly brought about by blockchain's difficulty in handling large numbers of transactions at fast speed and manageable cost. Well, projects such as NEAR seek to address this issue by building an entirely new blockchain using a different architecture. NEAR's solution to the problem was implementing sharding. By using the sharding strategy, NEAR is able to break up the blockchain into smaller, more manageable segments. This reduces the burden on the network by reducing computational load, resulting in an increase in throughput of transactions. As mentioned earlier, the NEAR protocol uses a proof-of-stake system. Nodes interested in becoming transaction validators stake their NEAR tokens to be considered for participation. Token holders may also delegate their stake to their choosing validators if they do not wish to operate a node. Generally, validators with larger stake hold more influence in the consensus process. Validators on NEAR are choosing via an auction system and are choosing at every epoch, typically a 12-hour interval. Meanwhile, dApps can be built on NEAR just like on Ethereum. This is made possible by NEAR's cloud infrastructure, which combines serverless computing and decentralized data storage. So guys, now that we know what NEAR protocol is, we've considered what it is, we've also considered why it is important, how it solves the problems that many decentralized applications faces. So now let's talk about some unique features of the NEAR protocol. Now we're going to talk about 3 unique features, and the first one is sharding. So let's talk about sharding. NEAR uses a sharding approach that enables network capacity to grow even as more nodes join. Through sharding, nodes are not required to run the entirety of the network code, which is the case with the Bitcoin nodes. It is just the code relevant to each shard. NEAR protocol assumes transactions will touch multiple shards, which is the default behavior for most smart contracts. So now that we know what sharding is, let's talk about NEAR protocol focusing on decentralization, and that is the second unique feature of NEAR. To maintain true decentralization, a network should be permissionless, meaning that potential nodes operators should be able to join freely, and this is as opposed to incentivizing pooling. NEAR uses threshold proof of stake, a staking technique considered both fair and predictable. This prevents powerful validators from pooling and encourages wide-scale participation among network members. NEAR also takes into consideration usability first approach. How does it do that? So let's go to the last feature, usability first approach. NEAR understands the need for usability first and foremost, as developers will likely only create apps that offer value and usability to their users. NEAR offers easy subscription, simple onboarding, predictable pricing, and familiar usage style to users as part of its effort to pursue user centricity. Before we go to the bonus tip of the day, let's talk about some projects that are based on NEAR. The first on our list is Mintbase. What is Mintbase and how does it benefit its users? Mintbase allows users to create and sell NEAR NFTs. Assets range from crypto ads to event tickets and more. Users can mint these assets as NFTs on the platform and put them up for sale via NEAR NFT Marketplace or other NFT marketplace. Minters can create a smart contract and limit minted token transferability, thereby safeguarding against fraud or illegal transfers. Mintbase focuses on supporting the creation of different digital assets, unlike other platforms that focuses on just one categories. So the next project on our list is Paras. Paras was designed to provide a unique solution, facilitating the validation and exchange of aging traditional collectible cards. Paras validates ownership via NEAR through fast, inexpensive transactions. Simply put, it is a digital card marketplace built on NEAR that seeks to reduce the burden on collectors to maintain their collectibles by ensuring that these do not wear out over time. Artists and collectors are also given free access to digital collectibles market. So let's talk about Endpoints, the third project on our list. Endpoints is NEAR protocol's own version of highly successful projects like the CryptoPunks, the T-Punks, and the SoPunks. Fair participation is ensured by giving everyone the chance to buy an Endpoint. Purchases are made randomly with the buyer's identity kept secret until the transaction is completed. Users can then sell their Endpoint in the secondary marketplace after it had been minted. So finally, let's talk about the bonus tip of the day, and this is how to create a NEAR wallet. The first thing you have to do to create your NEAR wallet is to understand that NEAR is the native token of the NEAR protocol. So let's talk about how to create the NEAR wallet. The first thing to do is to go to wallet.near.org. The org is spelled O-R-G, and then after going to that web page, click on Create Account. On the next page, click on Get Started to proceed. Next, you have to choose a security method to recover your wallet later if it is lost. We recommend selecting Secure Passphrase. If you own a Ledger wallet, you can select Ledger Hardware Wallet. The next thing to do is to click on Secure My Account. Now you have to copy the 12-word secure passphrase. Do not lose it, do not share it with anyone. Doing so might give them access to your wallet and you can lose all your funds. Getting that into mind, click on Continue. Verify the word as in the secure passphrase and click on Verify and Complete. After creating your account, you have to send in 0.1 NEAR, I think that is about $1.23 to your wallet address that is shown to activate the wallet. If you don't know where to get your NEAR token from, you can go over to exchanges like the Binance to buy NEAR tokens. Withdraw those tokens to the address shown in your wallet. Select the NEAR blockchain network while withdrawing your tokens. After the transaction is processed, you'll be able to view the balance in your NEAR wallet. And that is it on how to create a NEAR wallet. You have successfully created one if you follow this step right from the start. And that is all we can take today on NEAR protocols in today's video. If you want to get more info like this, please do not forget to smash the subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys for staying to the end. Thank you guys for watching.